Well, hello there, it's the 1st of October 2019 and we are currently, I don't know if you can hear the thunder out there, we're currently experiencing a thunderstorm here in Essex UK, so certainly getting some rain right now, filling up the water butts, which is a good thing, and watering the gardens and allotments. So I hope everybody out there is doing well, and part of my YouTube channel as well as showing, you know, people about gardening, my own gardening I do, and various other things. I like to keep a record of the weather. So when I look back at this in the future, I can go, well, on the 1st of October 2019, it indeed rained. Heavily. And this is, I'm looking at one now, off the side of the polytunnel here. I've got like a little container, a washing up bowl, with water dripping off of like a little sort of flap on the tunnel, and it's collecting water. But yeah, and some people have said when I've done these style videos before, they like listening to the rain on the top of the polytunnel. So I'm going to stop talking now and just going to pan the camera around, and you might like to have a bit of a relaxation to the sound of rain on the polytunnel. A lot of these cuttings here, like this one for instance, it's a Lakemont seedless grapevine. Here we go, going to have some thunder in a moment. Yeah, these cuttings down here, the plan is to, in the dormant season, find a place to put them. I'll probably end up having a lot of them in containers, to be honest, but I want to continue with my grape orchard, my vineyard, muscat block there, my container grown. And this is just the thing, you see, if you can get someone to you know, let you take a few cuttings off of their grapevine or whatever, or indeed their currant bushes. I've got red, white and black currant cuttings here that I took. I should have really took the what do you call it, should have really wrote the names down when I did it, but I'll know, you know, when they fruit, what they are. The pomegranate's starting to defoliate now, but they are deciduous, so one would expect that. Certainly getting some rain, aren't we? So this is where you got to think, right? If this occurred, you know, rain like this, when it occurs, any rain in the middle of, you know, the dormant season, when a peach tree is outside, if it's not covered, you know, that's when you get trouble with peach leaf curl. So, and I know they say that in the winter, or the dormant season is when the peach leaf curl problem starts, but I'm still very cagey about even having a peach tree, you know, outside in the summer in the rain. It still does concern me. Oh well, this video was just more of a sort of a diary of the weather, really, more than you know. But what's the weather like where you are, eh? So if you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Got the Instagram, Dan_Home Gardens. See you next time.